Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to sign up for Uber Eats on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon, so that you'll receive instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. First, make sure to download Uber Eats on your device. Tap on the install button, and download it onto your device. After it is done, tap open the app. Now to get started, you'll need to enter your phone number. Simply tap on the box, and enter your phone number in the text field. After that, you'll receive an SMS for verification. First, go ahead and enter your phone number. Tap on the next button, wait for a code to arrive on your mobile number you just entered, which will automatically take you to a next page. Now as soon as you do that, you'll need to enter your address. Choose your delivery spot, confirm your location by tapping on confirm, and start ordering. That is how you can sign up for Uber Eats. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.